Welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today we are going to discuss a topic many of us have dealt with at some point: how to get rid of pesky pimples naturally, without relying on any commercial products. So, let's get started.
The power of water.
First and foremost, hydration is key.
Drinking plenty of water helps
Flush out toxins from your body, promoting clearer skin. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day.
The wonders of green tea. Next up, green tea.
Rich in antioxidants, it helps reduce inflammation and fight acne-causing bacteria. Simply brew a cup, let it cool, and apply it to your face with a cotton ball.
Leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing.
The magic of honey. Nature's sweet treat is also a skin savior. Honey has antibacterial properties that can help heal pimples. Apply a thin layer of raw honey to the affected area and leave it on for 15-20 minutes.
Rinse off with warm water.
Gentle exfoliation. Exfoliation is crucial, but you don't need expensive products.
Mix equal parts sugar and olive oil to create a natural scrub.
Gently massage it onto your face in circular motions to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores.
The power of aloe vera.
Aloe vera is a true skincare hero. Extract the gel from the leaf and apply it directly to the affected area. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties that can help reduce redness and promote healing. Steam it out.
One of the oldest tricks in the book, steam. Boil water, pour it into a bowl,
and position your face over the steam with a towel draped over your head. This opens up your pores, making it easier to cleanse impurities.
Sleep and stress management.
Last but not least, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep and stress management. Lack of sleep and stress can contribute to breakouts, so make sure you're taking care of your overall well-being. And there you have it, a natural approach to banishing pimples without reaching for any commercial products. Remember, consistency is key, and what works for one person may vary for another. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.